This is a little crook knife from made in Sweden, and I used that to do the bowls. When I first started, I just used a normal flat knife, but it makes for hard work. So if you've got the right tool for the job, it's easier, and you would just use it and just gorge it out. You can get what they call spoon knives. I don't like them so much. They're a bit cumbersome, and you'll find that the blade is a lot more chunkier than this little crook knife. So yeah, a little crook knife. You've got to be careful with this palm when you're first starting out. You could have a piece of leather or even a leather glove, because you're doing this action, and I've seen quite a few injuries here, so just be careful with that one. And so that's a little Swedish crook knife, and this one actually was made by English maker Ben Orford, and this little Sloyd knife, little wood carving knife, and I like little knives like this. You can do the detail work like I say, doing things like this. And again, I like it. It's the wooden handle. It warms up in your hand than the plastic handles, and you can carve towards you. And yeah, it's nice to just sit and whittle. And if you're new to knives, I would actually get a knife like this first, so you get the handling of a knife. You know, it's not too cumbersome. So yeah, Ben Orford, little wood carving knife.